This segment will provide some safety, operation, and maintenance tips for your new Agri-Fab Poly Tow Roller. Always empty the lawn roller after each use to protect it from freezing temperatures in winter. When filling with water, do not connect the roller with a fixed coupling. Otherwise, dangerous pressure buildup could occur. Never fill the roller to maximum weight without checking the capability of the vehicle to safely pull and stop. Refer to the towing vehicle's owner's manual. The braking and traction force of the towing vehicle must be capable of handling the extra load represented by the roller. Particular care must be taken when turning, reducing speed, and stopping. Never use the roller up and down hills. Always work across hills and slopes. Never allow children to operate towed equipment. Never allow children or others on towed equipment. Always keep the area clear of bystanders, paying close attention to children and pets. Congratulations, your new Agri-Fab Poly Tow Roller is now fully assembled and ready to use. For additional help or replacement parts, contact Agri-Fab directly at 1-800-448-9282 or visit www.agri-fab.com. Agri-Fab, lawn care made easy.